Hello guys, this is 𝐸𝐽𝑠 Entertainment here, and in today's video we will be trying to send a blank message through WhatsApp. So maybe you would want to learn this trick to fool your friends or to play around with your family, relatives or whoever it is. So without taking much time, we'll move straight into the tutorial. So first of all, open Play Store. We will have to install an application called empty text send blank messages. I'll put up a link in the description box of this video. So let me install the application. Installing. We'll open up the app. Okay, miss messages. If miss calls can exist, why can't miss messages? Exactly. That's what we'll be trying to do. Send blank messages to show them that you missed them without saying a word, or maybe just for fun. Alright, then introducing empty text. Get started. Okay, this is the change log. We'll close that. No, we'll not be going through the tutorial. Nope. Alright, we can access that later. So enter the number of blank characters. So I'll be entering 10 characters and generate. This is a free application, so obviously it will be having some ads in between. You will have to go through some ads. Since this is a free application, it is the mode of revenue. So we have generated 10 blank characters. Now press on this send icon, this arrow button you can see on the bottom right hand corner. I'll click on that. So I'll copy it to my clipboard. Alright, now I'll open my WhatsApp. This is a random chat that I've opened up. I'll long press on my chat box and paste the blank message. So as you can see, there's nothing in our chat box, there's nothing in our chat window, and we'll press send. There you go. You can see a blank message sent at 6:19 p.m. So we'll play around once more. We'll once again open the application, which is empty text, and this time we'll be generating 50 blank characters. Generate. We'll click on send, copy it to our clipboard, open WhatsApp, long press, paste, and that's it. You have sent 50 blank characters to your WhatsApp contact. So this is a wonderful trick which you can use to play around or have fun with your friends, or just to show someone that you're missing them without even sending a text message, kind of like giving a missed call. This is a miss message. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like and comment. Until the next time we meet, this is 𝐁𝐿 signing off.